to Guru Nanak Institute of Technology. Myself Abhijit Dev, I am the assistant in charge of this lab. This is Digital Electronics Lab, belongs to the Electronics and Communication Department. So let's see the lab. This is Digital Electronics Lab, room number 323. You have this lab in 4th SEM, and another departments also use this lab as per their syllabus. AI, electrical, IT, diploma also. There are different types of syllabus, routing, do's and don'ts, which should maintain inside the lab. This is course outcome. There are flags hanging on the walls. It's shown different type of circuit, pin diagram of ICs. Basically, digital electronics used in multiple places like mobile, computers. Wherever you see, you can find digital electronics. Now I want to introduce some discrete component. It is called breadboard actually, and we use this breadboard to design the circuit. Basically, we design the circuit by wires and the ICs. So these are wires. This is called stripper. We use the stripper to strip the wire. These are ICs. Different types of ICs are there, like NAND, AND, OR, JK flip-flop. You can see the ICs. Now I introduce the kit where we perform the circuit. This is called analog and digital tenor kit. These are the input lines. These are the output. Different type of power supply. These are plus 5 volt, ground, plus 15 volt, minus 15 volt, ground. Different type of signal, 1 Hz, 10 Hz, 100 Hz, 1 kilohertz. We can add the signal from this portion also. These are variable resistor. This is 22 kilo ohm. This is 100 kilo ohm. Middle point is common. We can connect from these two sides. Same for this. This is 10 kilo ohm resistor. This is 5 kilo ohm resistor. This is 1 kilo ohm resistor, and this is 250 ohms. There are ammeter, 2 ammeter there in the kit. We can measure the current from this ammeter. There are also voltmeter. You can see these 2 voltmeters. We can measure the voltage from this voltmeter. 2 knobs are there. This is the range. This is 20 volt. This is 200 volt. This portion for 7 segment display. We design different type of circuit like timer circuit, counter, and flip flop, adder by this kit. Thank you.